Here's one of the springs along the Appalachian Trail. There's a little pipe stuck up there. Got the water dammed up behind it. Catch your water there. If you're a little worried about your iron level being low, that pipe right there should help you out a little bit. Fixing to hit the trail here in just a little bit. Another good day in the woods. Well, I'm just a little ways up the trail from the shelter this morning. Shelter was packed last night. So, kind of looking forward to not in the tent. Maybe not so much racket. But that is life on the trail. Enjoying it. This is day 3. Most of the day is going to be a little hill climb in here. Supposed to be coming to a good view up here somewhere or another. And before I turn off on the Jenkins trail. And then supposed to have some good views down it. It's supposed to be pretty steep though. So, but it has been fun. Well, here you go. This is the reason why you come to the mountains and hike. Put 35 pounds on your back and climb a hill. Or climb a mountain. That is gorgeous. So peaceful. Now there's a view. There is a view. That is Fontana Lake. That's forgive me guys. Let's see if we can zoom a little bit. There we go. Fontana Lake. Looking out over the mountains. This is beautiful up here. I bet the sun's gonna mess us up. I'm trying to pan around here. Give you guys a look at what I'm looking at. Mainly back towards the trees. That is so beautiful. That is beautiful. Trail here is one of the lesser traveled trails in the park that I'm on. The Jenkins Creek Trail, that's what they call it. That's kind of like in Oklahoma. You gotta kind of hope that's the trail that you're on. But you can kind of see back up through there. So, a little adventure. You see how the trail can change in just a little bit. Walking through this forest. Look, this trail's turning right in here against the mountain. This is gorgeous in here. Just looking up through there. Wow. That is gorgeous. There's your 350 turn off. Well, here's this creek that we can hear running. Make a little trail up the hill. Just make another climb. We gotta climb that hill. So you can sit down and eat another snack and hydrate up real good. And we're good to go. Sure is beautiful in here. Well, this camera's probably not doing it justice, but it is beautiful. The trail sign has been coming that way. We're going that way. Thought this is a good place to enjoy a little peanut butter, water, hydrate. Sit here and listen to the stream. Take a little break. So we head up that hill. And there's a caller, so let's see right here. Well, I don't know if you can see through that or not. Again, whether I was following the game trail or the
Jenkins trail that I was supposed to be on. So, finally got on this side of it. And it looks like the trail down through there. So, move on. Getting close to lunchtime. Hopefully get a view. I can stop and eat lunch. I'm just stopping here on the trail, eat a little lunch. Basically sitting right in the middle of the trail. Second part of this trail is pretty steep. But it does at least open up, you know it's a trail. First couple of miles of that thing is bushwhacking. You wonder whether you're on the trail or not. Deadfall, quite a bit of it. But out there in the middle of it, that first section is a nice little creek set by, you guys seen earlier. So, sit there, cool off a little bit, and eat a little lunch, and move on down the trail. A little bit of the trail I've been coming down. As you can see, I am up on just a point of that ridge. I got a fill in here in a minute. It's fixing to take a nosedive. But I'm moving along. Trail's a little bit better shape here, so makes a little bit better time. Haven't been too good on time today, but it is what it is. A lot of bushwhacking. And it's opened up here now. Here we go. So far this part of the trail's been pretty steep once we finally got over there, but that's what the topo map says. And I just wonder what I missed, because this part of the trail seems to be more traveled than that very top part of that trail. Where there's a cut off that the locals know is not on the map. But it's kind of interesting. A pretty good little steep drop in there. I think we should have one more. Then we'll be down where the creek is. Should be getting pretty close to Hazel Creek, another couple of miles, I think, maybe 3, something like that. Wrap the day up. So, still enjoying the walk. Well, I just came down off the Jenkins Trail, which I'm headed to Hazel Creek. Is where I'm going to go, 2.4 miles. So I came 6.5 miles. A little slow going, but that's a pretty rough trail. As I came down out of, this appears to be a road. So we may have a easy 2.5 mile walk. We'll see. That's what I like about getting out in the woods. Well, it's still cruising along here on this last part of this Jenkins Trail, which is basically a road. Maybe back when there's logging or mining in this area, they put the road in. Typically I don't like doing road walks, but after that 6.5 miles down that Jenkins Trail, that first part of it, bushwhacking, and come across all that deadfall, I kind of like it. A nice easy stroll on into camp. Maybe get in there about 3 o'clock, 3:30. The end of a good day. If you guys can see back up in there. That is so beautiful. So beautiful. Let me get the picture of the creek here. Yep. Man, so peaceful in here. Alright, on we go. I think these plants are called rhododendrons. Just as high as you can see up in there. That is all it is inside that mountain. There's a creek. You know, there's a reason why I don't get anywhere sometimes. I'm busy looking at something other. But here is 3 massive trees. One stump. I'm talking massive trees. Isn't that something? You never know what God has in store for us. Well, here we are. Campsite 84. Home sweet home for tonight. We got some homemade tables to sit on. There are tables, awesome. So, back around, side around, put the tent up. Well, let's go far tonight. Let's see. Might look better and get some rest. Put some over here. Looking down here, maybe. Right. Time set up camp.
Well, we can't set up here. We have a Cajun style pepper steak with rice and tomatoes. And then the water to the bowl. Set that on.
See the top of the tent down there. There's the bear bag. Eating up here.
Life is good. Nope. Not bad eating. Pretty good grub. Enjoying a peaceful evening here. Smoky Mountain National Park. Hard to beat. Sitting in the confluence of two streams, two creeks here. Cool evening, I'm sure when the sun goes down, it won't take long with as tall as the mountains are. Temps might get a little cool, but it'll be alright. Life is good. I'll do a little recap on the hike today. Come down the Jenkins Trail. The Jenkins Trail is not, it's kind of, there's something strange about the upper part of that trail. Doesn't look to be used that much. Once you get about halfway down, it then looks like it's used. So maybe I missed something other. Maybe there's a campsite up in there somewhere that people ride up into and then ride back out. Top part of it, a lot of bushwhacking, a lot of deadfall in there, blowdowns. You got to fight your way around. It was slow going, even going downhill, but once we got down probably a little over halfway of it, the trail pretty much opened up, but it's pretty steep. There's not very many switchbacks. It does come pretty much coming right straight on down. Follows that ridge line out, and you have a lot of what I call false hopes. Think you're ready to fall off over the end of it and start really down the mountain. Then you got to go climb another little hill and go back down again. So done it pretty good. Only had one little mishap where I stepped on a loose rock there and it throwed me, but didn't hurt myself, thank the Lord. And then once you get on down, I think it's like 2.5 miles from the end of the trail, you come out onto an old road bed. I don't know whether they used it for logging or mining or what, but it's a nice easy walk. But by the time you fight through that first 6 miles of it, road's okay. So just another peaceful evening, enjoying the walk in the woods. We'll see you guys probably in the morning.